If you want to block calls from strangers on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we need to open the security app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. And once you open the security app, then in here we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you should be able, well, you might be able to try to find the block list option over here in common features. But if you don't have it in here, you can just scroll all the way down and then swipe up to open this toolbox. And then you can find the block list option here in the list of tools. Once you open the block list option, you should be able to tap on this setting in the upper right corner. And then in here, we should be able to go to call block list. If you have two SIMs, then of course you can select for which SIM you want to set it up. So once we go here, then we should be able to find block calls from strangers, which we can easily enable by tapping on this switcher, and then we just have to confirm. You can still make exceptions, so you can include people and phone numbers and contacts that should still be able to call you by going to exceptions over here, and then you can just add whoever should still be able to call you. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.